It's been a while since I've uploaded. I have gotten my next gen off and I'm waiting to get them done again. So they're gonna look very bad for this video, but we're just not gonna worry about that. For this look today, I am doing one eye is going to be kind of a Christmas lights look. It's gonna be like a stream of Christmas lights on my eyebrow. The next eye, I'm gonna be doing kind of like, this eye, I'm doing more of like a blue snowflakey kind of look. I'm gonna shut up now and we're gonna start this video. Hey guys, I didn't even say it in the beginning. I didn't even say hi. Like, I literally just jumped into how my nails look ugly. But this video is basically like a challenge. Like, it's basically like, it's a Christmas look. And it's like 2 different looks on both of my eyes. And like, yeah. You'll see when you see, okay? So I did my my brows, okay, and I'm gonna do concealer on this eye. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and some loose setting powder, put that right on my crease. I'm just gonna blend that out. Taking my Morphe 35O palette, go into this brown shade in the center right here. With my Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going in with the shade Swipe Right, and it's just kind of like a champagne color. It's at the top right here. I'm gonna go do my eyeliner and then I'll be right back. So I did my eyeliner and I popped on some lashes. So I have a NYX white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to outline where I will be drawing the string for the light. So now I'm going to go back into my bathroom and I'm going to outline my little string lights, or Christmas. I keep saying string lights or Christmas. So I'm using the NYX Ultimate Shadows palette. I'm going to just put on a bunch of shades. This is just kind of like a do it your own way. You can do like any colors you want. I'm going in with this little tiny brush and I'm just gonna dip into random shades. Also, I kind of messed up on the eyebrow part, but we're just gonna pretend like that did not happen. So now the last step is to take a white liquid eyeliner and just make it stand out, make it look like it's glowing. I'm using the 35V palette for this little snowflake looking thing that I'm gonna be doing on this eye. Going in with Go Nude. This shade right here. Oh, can't even see it. This shade right here into the crease. I'm going in with this shade called Hit It Off, and it's this like matte blue right here. I'm gonna go in with that on the crease. So I was talking to the camera and it wasn't even recording, but I went in with that Go Nude shade and I put it just on top of the blue to blend everything out. And now I'm going back in with that shade Fling, the dark blue, and I'm just gonna deepen it up even more. I'm in with the shade called Knockout, and it is the lightest glitter shimmer shade in the palette. I usually use it for highlight, but today I'm using it as a lid shade. Now look at that pigmentation. Hell yes. I'm going in with my finger. Alright, I'm gonna be taking this NYX Jumbo eye pencil and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. So I'll be right back. Whew. Okay. There's someone with an air blower. There's someone blowing the leaves outside, so I'm sorry if you hear really loud noises, so I'll just talk louder. Now someone's mowing the lawn, so.
Do not have time.
So basically my storage on my phone consists of a ton of Why Don't We videos. So I didn't have enough storage. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on those post notice because I never post. I think I'm gonna end this video on a really nice collage. Something, we are something different.
Excuse me,
I'm like extravagant.